All right. Okay, this is my 98 Mercury Mountaineer. Got the 5 liter in it, which means it's all-wheel drive. But because this thing sits for months at a time, the battery's spanked. I mean, it won't even turn dome light on. I jump started it, brought it in here, turned the key off, dome light's still dead. So we got a Harbor Freight battery disconnect switch, new battery, and a switch so I can just when I park it, I can disconnect it and won't ruin the battery anymore. All right, let's open this pig up. Yeah, a little bit of leaves there. It sits. Just had this open a while ago. There we go. Because it works. That's why. Put it on this side. I normally have it over here, but I need this side now. Okay, here's what I came up with. I'm in here, and I notice my bolt is missing out of the radiator. So I got my tray out. I'm gonna dig through some old used bolts. Takes an M8. I've already found one to fit. I'm gonna mount this back up. I'm gonna take a piece of a sign and try to mount between these two bolts here, and we'll mount the switch like right in here. And here's the sign. Problem is though, now I won't be able to find my way back to the hospital. Okay, looks like I'm going to hack this end off. This eyelet is the clamp itself, so chop the whole thing off. Still one of the boys' eyelets here, or two of them. But he's only got two sizes, 4 gauge and 1 gauge. Hopefully one's big enough to get those two in there. And still on a piece of his wire to continue from the switch to the battery. This supple wire, high strand count, so it should be able to handle the amperage. I mean, it's only ain't much. It's not like I got a big couple 1,000-watt power system in here or nothing. Still got my squints on. Alrighty then. No turning back now, is there? This looks like a treat. Let me trim that back a little bit yet. I don't know if I have to or not. Or, where's the 1 gauge? Oh, duh. Hey, that fits. Yeah, we can cram her in there. I don't have a wire stripper for this size wire. Just do it without cutting the wire strands, right? I'm scared. Oh, no wire came out. She's a little nicked. It'll be alright. Now, I don't have no. What the hell's Ivan use? Deoxit. Oh, I got his electronics cleaner. Uh-oh. About empty. It's alright, we got our can. See if I can find a wire brush. Sorry. Yeah. Meow. What do you think? I think that works. Oh, we missed a strand. What strand? We didn't miss nothing. Oh, I should have put heat shrink tape on there. Dumbass. Yeah, it's just a negative. There's a whole air, so I got to worry about drilling in that thing. It's a 20-year-old car. Who cares? And it's mine. Get that out of the way. And we'll just use a step bit. We'll just keep drilling until it's big enough. Make sure there's nothing down in there. That would suck to drill in the radiator, wouldn't it? Come on. That'll do, donkey. Hey, look at that. They use snakeskin on the side. Yeah, from cutting with the die grinder, it's got a little warm. Drill those holes. Close enough. My work table's getting cluttered here. Yeah, that'll work. My junk Harbor Freight kit? Yeah. Guess I should put Loctite on these damn things. Because you know they ain't going to stay. All right, boys and girls, looks like we're about ready. Oh, one for the battery. Duh. Dumbass. Dumas. I better close that. come on, really? Whatever, sort of time, cookies. Really slowly arrival. Again, we love it. I hope these holes line up. I didn't even check yet. I have many dumbass moments. Dumbass. All right. Don't need that. Don't need that. Well, the alarm didn't get stupid. Oh, that's not on. Right? I know a couple times I go jump start, as soon as I hook the battery cables up, the alarm goes off. And you gotta hurry up, put the key back, put the key in ignition, turn to the on position. Didn't happen. All right. Let's see if she cranks. That should be good. Chicken dinner. Fired right up. Hey, whatever works, right? Is it proper? Probably not. Is it right? Probably not. Does it look pretty? Definitely not. Does it work? It works. All right, I just got to clean this up. Now I can park this thing for months at a time and don't have to worry about jump starting it anymore. This thing only gets used in the wintertime anymore. But getting ready for winter, I need my all-wheel drive. All right, guys. Remember, don't drink and drive. No trigger for me today. I got to drive home. So, poor me. I had to do this sober. But hey, I got to keep my fingers. All right, later.